Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys bold font how can we disable. Friends, you want to disable guys your Samsung phone guys your bold font settings. So how can we disable today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. Friends, you don't want to use guys your Samsung phone guys your bold font. So how can we disable it today friends? We will talk about. So first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll it and friends you can see this tab settings. So guys, we'll click on a phone display setting guys. Tap on display and guys again scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your font size and style guys. Tap here to disable your bold font. So friends you can see guys we have bold font setting here, and guys you can see that side like this icon guys, we will have to tap here to disable. After disable guys your font will normal guys, you can see bold font is disabled. So like that guys we can disable it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.